Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja. If you've never been here before, today we are going to be installing this beautiful ginger wig from Incolorwig hair company. Okay, so as y'all can see, I tried to put like two, I would say highlights or two money pieces on the sides, but that did not work out. So here we are. Okay, so y'all pretty much know how I install my wigs, of course, if you already been watching me. But this particular wig, I like accidentally, I wouldn't say, okay, it was accidental. If you look at the hairline, you can see that it's like tinted lavender / pinkish or whatnot. That was not intentional, but in my opinion, it came out very, very cute. I had my assistant, after I had bleached the knots, I told her to put the purple shampoo on the hair, you know, just to make sure it's not brassy or anything like that. And then it kind of was on there for too long, and then it stained because we were working. So I was like, okay, babe, you know, it's fine. It came out cute. So of course y'all know I'm using my Ericka J glue, and I am just sitting and waiting for my glue to dry or whatnot. In this video, I did attempt to do some soft baby hair, super natural hairline, nothing too crazy, and I would say I failed because I ended up going back and doing my own thing. But yeah, we're gonna get to that part. I'm gonna just let y'all continue watching. Initially, I thought that this lace was going to be too dark. I did ended up putting a slightly lighter complexion color on the lace just to combat any darkness that I might see, but I don't think it was too dark for me. So you guys already know I'm taking my hot comb, combing the hair back. The reason that I do this, ooh, almost burnt the dang on lace. The reason that I do this is to ensure that it is sticking into my hairline. Be careful because these hot combs do get very hot. And of course, you want to cut as close to the hairline as possible. Everybody knows, well, you should know by now, when you are dealing with colored hair, for some reason it just doesn't look like it's plucked, but I definitely plucked this wig. I could have went in more, but you guys know I'm always in a rush when I do all my hair, so yeah, that's that. I think in one video I'm actually going to attempt to do like soft baby hairs for real, like, you know, the real cute ones that be on Instagram. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to set apart some time to do that, because your girl is always in a rush every time I do my hair. Like, I'm either doing it in between clients, after a client, or after the end of the day, trying to make it home, cook dinner or something like that. Like, I'm always just busy. So you could like slightly see the line of demarcation, but once I lay it down and melted, it went completely away and there was no lace to be seen. Of course, finessing it again, but here I am just making sure that everything is on correctly. And now you can kind of see where it's like tinted lavender on the left side of my head. Well, left side of the screen. When I first had received this wig, or first, reached out to them or contacted them back or whatever, I was so nervous about this ginger wig, but it's really nice. Only thing I would say is if you plan on like coloring it or anything like that, I wouldn't do it with this wig. Or if you are looking to just wear a ginger wig, this is perfect. But if you're looking to like add extra things and just do a lot more with it, I wouldn't suggest this one, even though I did process it a little bit and the curls did stay perfectly. But I don't know, it's just my personal opinion. But it's super duper pretty. The curls are so beautiful. And now I actually want me another ginger wig. So if you guys see another ginger wig featured on my channel, don't be surprised. But I'm thinking I should do like a little pink or something, like a pastel pink. This has given me a little bit more confidence to step out of my comfort zone, I would say, because this was definitely out of my comfort zone. Even though I feel like part of me wanted to, color my natural hair this color, but I would never do it. At least I don't think. So this flat iron, I think someone or a couple of people has been asking me in my other video. I lost some footage of this video because my phone keeps saying like out of storage, but it was the Red by Kiss 1/4 pencil flat iron. Yeah, get some slow motion action for y'all. But yeah, y'all, this is pretty much like towards the end of the video. As you can see, my baby hairs, they're all over the place. What I am using is Got To Be Spray and just my edge brush. But yeah, I had to go. So this is how it came out. I hope y'all have a great one and love this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.